Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope always are fun. Basketball Japan wins the World Cup with a dramatic turnaround. Despite losing to Finland, Kawamura explodes in the fourth quarter, a historic win. On the 27th, Japan defended Finland 98 and 88 in the second group league match of the Basketball World Cup. Co-hosted by Japan, the Philippines and Indonesia. It was his first victory in this tournament. The victory at the World Cup was a historic win for the first time in 70 years. After catching up Yuki Kawamura second a shot to tie the score and turned the game around with an and one. After that, he scored three more points to win his lead to break through the first round for the first time. For the first time, a match against Australia on the 29th, the day after tomorrow. On the 27th, Japan defended Finland at 98 and 88 in the second group league match of the Basketball World Cup. Please viewers subscribe my channel and press bell icon for further information, and like my video and share my video social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you everyone for watching my video and like my video.